Hello everyone, this is Professor Dr. Ashok Kumar Gupta, CMD RFI. I feel honored to be invited to this international conference on Indian knowledge systems, a catalyst for sustainable development and global leadership. The aim of this international conference is to provide the most complete and reliable source of information on the recent advancements in this field. This international conference covers a broad range of topics in the relevant area. Indian knowledge system, known in Hindi as Bharati Gyan Parampara. As per Rigveda, Bhadrayam Sumato Yatem, Rigved 6:1-10, means let us strive for the wisdom that leads to the welfare of all. The Indian knowledge system is an incredibly rich and diverse collection of ancient wisdom and practices that have stood the test of time. It is a system that emphasizes the holistic understanding of the self, nature, and the universe, and seeks to create harmony and balance in all aspects of life. The Indian knowledge system is related to the Indian National Education Policy, that is NEP, as enacted in 2020. Emphasizes the inclusion of ICAS, that is Indian knowledge system, into curriculum at all levels of education. In line with this, the National Credit Framework, that is NCF, has made it possible for students to earn credit in courses relating to ancient Indian sciences and arts. Embracing the rich heritage and lineage of Indian knowledge system, the IKS division aims to uphold and carry forward the wisdom that has been passed down through generations. The goal is to highlight the continuous unbroken knowledge traditions of Bharat since time immemorial. The objective of this IKS is to completely decolonize Indian mind by generating interest and healthy critical reverence for the unbroken knowledge traditions of Bharat for the welfare of the world. ICAS promotes an integrated approach to knowledge, blending science, art, and spirituality. This interdisciplinary perspective is crucial in addressing complex global challenges in areas like health, education, and governance. This would include tribal knowledge and indigenous and traditional ways of learning, and will cover and include mathematics, astronomy, philosophy, yoga, architecture, medicine, agriculture, engineering, linguistics, literature, sports, games, as well as governance, polity, and conservation. Despite its vast potential, the integration of IKS into contemporary higher education faces several obstacles, including a lack of structured framework, limited institutional support, and modern day relevance. We'll discuss all these issues in our international conference. Now it's my privilege and honor to welcome all the dignitaries, resource persons, and experts available for this international conference. I'm thankful to Dr. Saurabh Kumar Jain, Chairman RFI. I'm also thankful to Dr. Ajay Jain and the entire team RFI and organizing institutes. I'm thankful to all who have given their input in this international conference and all participants who made this international conference a success. Thanks for your patience. Thank you again. Over to you.